Welcome everybody. I have a lot of products on the shelf behind me. No doubt, way too many products. But I want to talk about one today. One product and one mistake that you are likely making at home with your winter wash. Do you see what I'm looking at right here? This orange bottle. This is a key that will unlock a secret universe. I'm not kidding, folks. MDR, Mineral Deposit Remover. When MDR came on the market, as far as I can tell, there was sure a lot of hullabaloo. Hullabaloo, right? Optimum was on fire. And they released this product to folks by saying it was a water spot remover. Or perhaps that was what folks wanted out of this. It's not a water spot remover. In rare cases, MDR will help you remove water spots. But that's not what this is about. Now, this is the OptiCoat Pro version that we sell as pros to consumers, but it's, as far as I can tell, the same product. You pour this on a clean microfiber towel, you wipe it across the paint, and what it's doing, minor water spots go away, but it's removing the minerals that cause the water spot. Okay, let me tell you what I have done so far. O&R wash, clay towel with my wheel and paint decon product from Meguiar's, and a rinse down. Basically what's left for this paint, it's starting to get a little bit more hydrophobic after that particular clay session, but now we need to get that paint where it needs to be. Mineral deposit remover, here we go. Hey Nick, could you have picked a worse possible time to shoot a video than midnight? Nope. Alright, that's probably way too much product, but you get the idea. You apply it on a sponge, and then you just let it I am actually not an expert at this product. I don't know the best application process. I imagine less important than getting this big blob spread out is just touching the paint with the mineral deposit remover. So I'm gonna massage it in there, but this is the idea. And you kind of do this over the whole paint, and you can kind of see that filmy, oily residue. So to me that says, I'm just trying to safely grab some of that. To me that says it's going on the paint. So anyway, like I said, I'm not too worried about scratching this paint. It's my own daily driver and detail mobile. So let me go ahead and do this over the whole car. We'll bring it into the shop and you can actually see what's going on. The idea here is to give the MDR a little bit of dwell time, and then if you're really crazy, you could even agitate it. Am I scratching the paint? I don't think so. Ivan LaCroix says it doesn't happen. I didn't see it scratch at training, but you never know. So I'll go ahead and agitate the whole car. By the way, when I'm using the wheel and body brush, I'm just letting the bristles do the work here. I'm not just like, I'm not pressing it in like that. I'm just ever so slightly letting the bristles get into all those nooks and crannies, letting the chemicals do what they're designed to do, and then remembering that agitation is an essential tool in most cleaning situations. Here we've got a nearly fully stripped car. Let's try this front quarter panel. Yeah, the MDR really brought back the water beading here, you see that? But another problem for me is usually like the doors, right? Because in cold weather environments, the doors lose all hydrophobics because they get hit by all that salt. You guys seeing what I'm seeing? Not bad. I mean, this is the first coating job I ever did, so I have no idea if there's even coating left on there. But if there is, definitely some hydrophobics restored. And so that's important, right? It's important to have those hydrophobics visually, and also because that actually is what a ceramic coating is known for, those self-cleaning effects. You want the water to run off the paint, and you can see how it's just running away as I run out of water. But come on, baby. There you go. See how those water beads are just jumping? for joy. That's what I'm talking about. So the MDR does a great job of removing the minerals. Does a great job of restoring the hydrophobics of your ceramic coating. And there's so many great products out there. If you want to stick in the Opti system, OptiCoat HyperSeal, the most you're going to need is 2 sprays for a panel like this. And you could use a waffle weave. You could vary the technique up here. You could use all kinds of... You could use a plush, Eagle Edgeless, whatever you want to do. HyperSeal is great, but there are a lot of great products out there. Just a couple sprays on this panel, and I have enough kind of residue in this towel now to do the windows. It's really just... Less really is more with this product. Like, you just don't need to go crazy with HyperSeal. Alright, a clean enough car, right? In the wild, when it wasn't in a shop, it looked great. We're just super focused on it now. I didn't take out the water spots there. That's another story, but let's see what the MDR and a little HyperSeal did. Super awesome hydrophobics. Super awesome hydrophobics. Pretty good hydrophobics. Not as good, not as stellar. Awesome hydrophobics. And when I say hydrophobics, I'm looking for those water beads, that fast water movement. You're just wanting that water to leave the surface of the paint rapidly and carry dirt with it. And that's certainly what I see here. So, great way to rejuvenate your car in the wintertime. MDR from Optimum. Trust me, it will restore the hydrophobics of your coating, and it will deeply decontaminate your paint if you're looking for a nice strip wash to give your truck or car a fighting chance in the winter months. Thanks, guys. Hopefully you subscribe. Have a good night. Bye-bye.